Hello guys, this is the 48-piece snake cube. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a tennis bat using this 48-piece snake cube. So let's begin. So first you have to hold like this, the first block facing up. Now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have to leave the fifth. You will leave 5 of these blocks and bend the 6th block. Now you have to bend the next block twice. Now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have to bend the 5th block twice like this. Now turn the next block up. Now again count 1, 2, 3, 4 and bend the 5th block like this. Now turn the next block down. Now again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bend the 5th block twice. Now turn the next block like this. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th block towards the down. Now the next block down. Now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have to bend the 6th block. This block down. Now we have to count 1, 2 and we have to bend this block. This is the 3rd block towards the up. Now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and you have to bend the 7th block, the red block, towards you. And now you have to hold the snake cube puzzle like this and you have to turn the next block. For me it's the orange block. You have to turn this block towards you. Now it will be like this. So now you have to count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to completely leave this much block. We have to leave 6 blocks and we have to bend the 7th block, which in this case for me it's orange block. So we have to bend the orange block twice. Here you can see the tennis bat completely ready. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.